Hi there guys, Neil at Tell You Autos here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing this 70mm A510 dash camera. We're going to be doing a little unboxing video and then I'm going to install it into my car and give it a little demo, see what it can do, and then I'll show you the footage showing everything it has produced. So we'll start by going through some of the features on it. We have a 2K front facing camera and a 1080p rear facing camera. It does a dual channel recording, so it records both at the same time. It's got a very good night vision mode. 24-hour smart parking surveillance when the unit is hardwired into the car. It's got built-in GPS and route tracking. It's got advanced driver assistance system, ADAS, which gives you voice alerts for potential safety concerns, e.g. lane departure. It has a smart 17mm app control, so you can effortlessly connect your dash cam to your phone via Bluetooth and adjust the camera settings. I've got some stickers for placing on the windscreen. We have a sign saying you've got a dash cam installed. We've got like a warranty card. We've got the main instruction manual. Plenty to read through there if you want to do that, but the unit is actually quite simple, so you can actually go through the menus and work out what everything is within the system itself. In the box we have a really slim mounting point, so it doesn't stick out very far on your windscreen. We've got a 12-volt socket adapter. We've got a very long lead for the rear camera, which is USB-C to a proprietary connector. And we also have the main lead, which is a normal sized USB to USB-C. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with a C2C or an adapter, which is one of the negatives, but they're cheaply enough available. And you've also got a little pry tool to help you with installation. This is the rear camera, and now this is the forward-facing camera. It's quite a small unit, to be honest, with an adjustment of around 90 degrees, so you can adjust it so it doesn't show too much of your dashboard and maximum view of the road. Moving on to the unit itself, let's just remove this screen protector. On the front of it you've got 4 buttons to control the device. On the side you've got the SD card slot, a USB power slot, and the connector for the rear camera. A nice and easy low form mount, which you can easily attach and remove from the screen once you've installed the mount. It also comes with a couple of stickers to enable you to have easy removal and refitting. The rear camera is quite small, so it will not take up too much space on your rear screen, and it shouldn't hinder your view from the rear view mirror. So that was a quick overview of what's in the main box. If you see to the right of the screen there, we have another box which is a 4G kit for it, so you can hardwire the dashboard and then it communicates via 4G, so you can have constant access to the device from your phone. It will also power up the device whenever needed in case anybody hits the car at all while it is parked, so this is a part of the 24-hour surveillance mode you can have on it. In the box we have the device itself with a long lead. This will stick in the corner of your screen to give you the best signal on the 4G network, and we've also got a USB-C to C lead, which takes the power from the 4G box into the dash camera. On the side of the box you have the 4G SIM card connector. There are 3 wires that will need to be wired up: an earth, a power and a signal wire. You can normally splice into these wires on the back of the stereo. Now, also in the box we have a 64GB memory card, which is more than enough space for a long journey. And don't forget, the unit will also overwrite the data once it is filled up, so you will never have to remove the SD card unless you need to take any information off it. SD card is straightforward to install. Just pop it sticker side facing up and push it in, and there you go. Now just a quick install in the car, starting by clearing the dust off the screen. The sticky adhesive is really good. I thought I'd have to hold it there for a few more seconds, but no, it was just a quick push and it's stuck to the screen ever since, and it's now a few days later and it's still there and not had any problems at all. Now just going to plug in the wire and quickly route it around the interior trim. It literally took 10 minutes to install it. There wasn't much trim which needed to move out the way, and as it's only a small car there was plenty of lead. And here we are, once installed you can only see a little bit of the wire routed all the way around the windscreen, down through into the glove box, and just plug it in and away we go. And that's how quick the boot up time is. By the time I'd closed the glove box, it had already booted up. Let's start setting up the machine. A quick set of the date, any old rough date will do. And then we'll go through all the settings and see what can be done. The buttons at the front are easy to use. You've got one to go right through the menu and up and down, and then an OK button. Let's start things off by formatting the memory card. Again, didn't take long at all. Here's an example of the emergency recording function. Just push the button on the far left hand side and it will automatically record a 30-second video clip and save it. The phone communicates with the camera via a Wi-Fi hotspot, which I've now turned on. Quick overview of the settings you've got on the dash camera. You've got video storage, resolution, recording duration, and a demisting mode for when there's a little bit too much condensation on the screen. I imagine it will warm up the device to help to clear the screen. Several other options there for setting up the cameras, for flipping them if you have to install them upside down. Here I'm just messing with the resolution just to give me the widescreen mode. And I'm going to increase the recording duration to 3 minutes as well. And there are all the settings for the parking surveillance mode. And in the system settings, this is where you set up your Wi-Fi hotspot, change the screensaver, change when it turns on and off, adjust the time, the date, GPS settings, smart travel settings for the ADAS. Now here's some video, actual footage from the SD card of the camera. It's not been altered in any way, shape or form. The information displayed is the date, time, speed you were going and the GPS location. It also records the audio so you can hear what's going on at the time of an accident or incident. Now the main thing you are looking for on the visual side of things is the resolution. The important thing is can it work out number plates? And here's just a quick screen grab of a paused segment of the video showing that you can work out what the number plates are. And finally, let's talk about the app that you can download to access all the information on the camera on your phone. This is the app that you need to download. It's only a small file and it doesn't take long to download. This is the logo for it. It's compatible with Android Auto and Apple. Within the app you can access all the screenshots and videos, and you can also change a lot of settings for the device, as well as view any stored images or videos. So overall, this seems like a very competent device. I will happily keep this installed in my car. If I have any issues with it, please see a pinned comment in the description down below. I will display a price on the screen now, as well as links in the description for purchasing the item. I will hopefully also have a discount code down there for you as well. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video.